For the last couple of days, something really strange has been happening in my garden. This has suddenly appeared in the middle of my lawn. It is made with some kinda roots intertwined with twigs, and there are also some kinda hairs visible. Do you know what it is? Is it a nest? And if so, from which animal? Also, and more importantly, do you know how to permanently get rid of this? I mean, I have of course tried to remove it, but every time, the day after, it was back. So if you know what this is, that would be much appreciated. And now, a little something to thank you for your support. I have been away for a few days, and the nest in my garden had grown even more. While I still do not really know what it is, your reactions did not really indicate anything good. So, time for some real investigation work. Alright, now I'm freaking out even more. But rather than crawling back onto myself to cry a little more, let's get ready for some action. The plan is as follows. Under the cover of darkness, slowly creep to the nest and fry the Wish me luck.